I'm going to make this for the second time now. This is going to be basically a walkthrough of how to do this assignment number 13, okay? All right, so here we are on 13, and it says direction students will create a 60-second, 1-minute video to 90 seconds. So basically, it's a 1-minute video to a minute and a half, right? 60 seconds to 90 seconds. So that's a minute to minute and a half. It can't be 59 seconds, and it can't be 91 seconds. It's got to be in that minute and a half gap, okay? You're going to make sure you're covering discussions on 1950s as it connected to the end of World War II, who our allies were. Did they change? We know they changed, right? What happened after World War II, right? Think of the Berlin airdrop, right? 49 to 51. What new technological advances have occurred since the 1950s? So we have better automobiles, right? We have television. There's a few other ones in there you should be listing, right? Entertainment changed, right? Society changed. So you listen to all these different things and be very specific. Don't just use generalities. If you're like, well, stuff changed, I'm not going to count that. You must be very specific, providing examples of everything that you state. You must also go through and you must reference where in your textbook. Okay, so there's four sections in chapter 18. You should be able to reference what chapter, what section, and what page, and what topic you're covering. Okay. Otherwise, plagiarism, right? You make sure you need to make sure that you cite in your video and on the document to follow where you get information from. Okay. Now enough of you're like, well, I never read my textbook. You're required to. That's your homework. Okay. You guys know this, so this is where it's going to come into play. Okay. All right. So again, you're going to cover these different ones here, right? Make sure you discuss the 1950s connected to World War II. Who is our allies? What has changed since the end of World War II? What new technology advancements have occurred since the 1950s? How has society changed? Reference chapter 18 from your textbook. Create the video using the discussion video maker. And then upload your discussion, okay? So let me show you how this works. You're going to go in here. You're going to create a new one. Go to this icon here. Hit record. Start recording. 3, 2, 1, go. And then you're going to talk about the things we just discussed, okay? And if you look over here on the counter over here, it's 06 to 07, right? When they hit 60 seconds, that's when you've hit your minimum time, right? So I recommend as notebook, paper, write your notes down on the side or on the computer, whatever you're going to do. So that way, when you're referencing back to your video, you know what you need to cover in that time period. Okay. All right. Does that work? Remember, you can always hit finish or start over. You're good to go. Okay. All right. Let's go ahead and finish this up. As you can see here, I'm at 35 seconds. Haven't even gotten to 60 seconds yet. Hit save. Save. And then right here, I could go in and say chapter 18, section 3, and pages, whatever, and then the topic covered. Just follow that, okay? That's kind of how you can do this, okay? Hit save post. There it is. We're good to go. I'm going to go ahead and delete this now off of the thread. And that's how you make a video.